Hi, my name is G, and in this video we are going to talk about writing a unit test for a hex nut part that we've been working on. I actually kind of completely forgot about the unit test for this, and let's go ahead and run the OSE Workbench test command just to see what happens. So we can see that we still have a box test because we never changed it. We probably should have changed it when we renamed everything from box to hex nut, but we forgot, so it happens. Let's go ahead and update our unit test now to test our hex nut. Let's open up Visual Studio Code within the test directory. The first thing that I'll do is rename this file from box test to hex nut test. And then there's no longer a box part class, so there's only this hex nut part class now. Let's rename our variable. And let's not make any assertions about like volume or area. And how many faces does our hex nut have? So let's think about it. There is a top and bottom, there's two. There is the inner hole, so that's 3. And then there are 6 sides, so 3 plus 6 is 9 faces total. So that should do us. And I think that's all we need to do to update and fix our unit test. Oh, I forgot to change my variable from box to hex nut everywhere. Okay, and it passed, and just as a quick sanity check to make sure that it's working right, if we were to change the number of faces to be like something like 1, we would expect that to fail. Yeah, and so it's saying that the hex nut has 9 faces and the assertion of 1 face is failing, so let's change that back to 9. So now that our unit test is back and working for our hex nut part class, we could of course always improve upon it, saying that it just has 9 faces. We could always make this better, but it's good enough, and the next video we're going to continue improving upon it by allowing the user to change the hole diameter and the flat to flat distance and the height of the hex nut after they add the button, after they add the hex nut by clicking the button on the toolbar.